Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Conversation podcast. Today, we're going to have a very long and detailed talk about one of the most exciting times of the year, the New Year. How do you usually celebrate the New Year? What does it mean to you? Well, today, Daniel and I will share lots of ideas, stories, and useful English phrases about the New Year. Are you ready, Daniel?
Hi, Emma. Hi, everyone. Yes, I'm very excited. The New Year is such an important event for many people around the world, and it means different things to different people. I'm looking forward to exploring all these ideas with you. What is the New Year?
Let's begin with the basics. Daniel, can you explain simply what the New Year is?
Sure. The New Year is the very beginning of a new calendar year. It starts on January 1st. This day marks a fresh start, a new chapter in life for many people.
That's right. But even though it's just one day on the calendar, the New Year carries a lot of emotional and cultural importance.
Absolutely. It's often seen as a time to leave behind past mistakes or difficulties and to look forward to new opportunities and goals.
New Year's Eve and New Year's Day, many learners get confused about the difference. Can you explain the difference?
Of course, New Year's Eve is December 31st, the very last day of the old year. People usually celebrate on this night by staying awake until midnight, waiting for the new year to begin.
And New Year's Day is January 1st, the first day of the new year, which is often calmer and used for rest or reflection.
Exactly. New Year's Eve is often about big parties, celebrations, and fireworks, while New Year's Day is a time to relax and think about the future.
Traditions and celebrations. Let's talk about some common New Year's traditions. What do people usually do to celebrate New Year's Eve?
Well, many people gather with friends or family to eat, drink, and enjoy each other's company. Watching the clock and counting down the last 10 seconds before midnight is a very popular tradition.
I love the countdown. It's so exciting to hear people shout, 3, 2, 1, Happy New Year!
Yes, it's a moment of joy and hope. Fireworks are also very common in many countries, lighting up the sky with colors.
Some places have large public celebrations like concerts and festivals.
And in other places, people prefer quiet dinners at home, sharing their hopes and memories.
Feelings and reflections. The new year often brings a mix of emotions. How do people usually feel at this time?
Many feel hopeful and excited about what the future will bring, but it can also be a time for sadness or nostalgia as people think about the year that is ending.
That's true. It's natural to reflect on both the good and difficult moments.
Reflection is important because it helps people learn from their experiences and grow emotionally.
Part 5. New Year's Resolutions. One of the most famous New Year's traditions is making resolutions. Can you explain what a New Year's resolution is?
A New Year's resolution is a promise or goal that someone sets for the new year. People often decide to make positive changes in their lives, like exercising more, eating healthier, or learning a new skill.
Many English learners make resolutions to improve their language skills.
Yes, it's a great goal, but the key to success is making realistic and specific resolutions.
For example, instead of saying, I want to learn English, it's better to say, I will practice English for 20 minutes every day.
Cultural differences in New Year's celebrations. New Year's celebrations vary a lot around the world. Can you give some interesting examples?
Sure. In Spain, people eat 12 grapes at midnight, 1 grape for each month, to bring good luck.
In Japan, people visit temples and shrines to pray for health and happiness in the new year.
In Scotland, there's a tradition called first footing, where the first person to enter a home after midnight brings gifts for luck.
These traditions show how cultures celebrate the new year in unique and meaningful ways.
Useful English phrases for the new year. Let's practice some useful English phrases related to the new year.
Great idea. Happy New Year. I wish you all the best. My New Year's resolution is to travel more. What are your goals for this year? I hope this year brings peace and happiness. Last year was challenging, but I learned a lot. I want to start fresh and work hard this year.
These phrases are useful for conversations with friends, family, or even at work.
New Year and personal growth. Why do you think the new year is a powerful time for personal growth?
Because it offers a natural moment to pause and reset, people feel motivated to improve themselves and their lives.
It's like pressing a reset button on your mind.
Exactly. Even small changes can make a big difference over time.
How to stay motivated with New Year's goals. Many people make New Year's resolutions but struggle to keep them. What advice do you have?
It's important to set realistic and specific goals. Also, break big goals into small steps.
For example, instead of saying exercise more, say walk for 10 minutes every day.
Tracking progress and celebrating small successes helps keep motivation.
And it's okay to ask for support from friends or family.
New Year for English learners. How can English learners use the new year to improve their skills?
Set clear learning goals like learning 5 new words each day or watching English videos regularly.
Joining an English conversation group or finding a language partner can also help.
Remember, consistency is more important than perfection. New Year's Day, a day of peace. What do people usually do on New Year's Day?
Many people rest after the celebrations, spend time with family, or prepare for the year ahead.
It's often a calm day, full of reflection and planning.
Some people write down their goals or make lists to stay organized.
Personal stories and traditions. Daniel, do you have any personal New Year's traditions or stories to share?
Yes, every year my family and I write letters to ourselves about our hopes and dreams for the year. We read them the next new year to see how far we've come.
That's beautiful. It's a great way to stay connected to your goals.
Yes, and it helps me remember what really matters.
Final thoughts. Daniel, if you could give one message to the new year to our listeners, what would it be?
I would say, don't be afraid to start over. The new year is a gift, a chance to grow, learn, and become your best self.
Beautifully said. The new year is a time for hope, courage, and kindness.
Thank you for joining us today. Happy New Year to everyone listening.
Happy New Year! Keep practicing English and following your dreams. See you next time.